Introduction to the world of ugly animals. Ugly is in the eye of the beholder, or so they say. The blobfish. Take the blobfish, for example, often cited as the world's ugliest animal. But is it really that ugly, or is it just misunderstood? The eye. Then there's the eye, a lemur with a strange middle finger. Some find its unique features off-putting, but they're essential for its survival. The Proboscis Monkey. And who could forget the Proboscis Monkey with its enormous nose? While it may look peculiar to us, it's a sign of virility in their world. Let's not overlook the naked mole rat, a wrinkly, hairless creature that lives underground. They may not win any beauty contests, but they're incredibly resilient and long-lived. The Titicaca Water Frog. Lastly, consider the Titicaca Water Frog, also known as the scrotum frog, due to its saggy skin. It needs these folds to absorb oxygen in its high-altitude habitat. Goblin Shark. The Goblin Shark is a very rare sea creature that's been around for over 125 million years. It has a long, pointy nose and a special jaw that can shoot forward really fast to catch food. Goblin sharks live deep in the ocean, so they're hard to find and study. Pig-noseFrog. The pig-noseFrog, also called the purple frog, lives in India and looks pretty funny. It has a big, strong backside that helps it dig deep into the ground, where it spends most of its life. Instead of hopping like other frogs, it digs. It also has tiny eyes and a weird-shaped head that help it search for food like termites underground. Hammerhead Bat. The hammerhead bat is the biggest bat in mainland Africa and one of the largest in the world. Boy bats are bigger than girl bats and have really big heads. They make deep honking sounds using their special lips and nose to impress girl bats. Hammerhead bats are the only bats that show off in groups to find a mate, like a talent show. They live in rainforests and mostly eat fruit. Alligator snapping turtle. The alligator snapping turtle looks like a dinosaur with its spiky shell, sharp beak, and tough body. It's the biggest freshwater turtle in the USA and has super strong jaws. It tricks fish by wiggling its tongue like a worm. Then snap! Dinner time! It might not be the cutest animal, but it's a great example of how animals change and adapt to survive. Saiga Antelope. The Saiga Antelope has a big, funny-looking nose that helps it breathe in dusty places. It's about the size of a goat and lives in grassy areas in places like Russia, Kazakhstan, and Mongolia. Saiga antelopes were in danger of disappearing, but thanks to people working hard to protect them, there are now over 2 million living in Kazakhstan. Red-lipped Batfish. The red-lipped batfish has bright red lips that look like lipstick. It uses its colorful lips to help other batfish recognize it during mating time. This funny fish lives near the Galapagos Islands and doesn't swim much. It prefers to walk along the ocean floor instead. Swallowtail Caterpillar. Before it becomes a pretty butterfly, the eastern giant swallowtail caterpillar looks like bird poop. This funny disguise keeps it safe from hungry animals. And if something still tries to eat it, the caterpillar uses a special smelly trick from its body to scare them away. Star-nosedMole. The star-nosed mole looks funny, but its wiggly nose is amazing. Its star-shaped nose has 25,000 tiny feelers that help it find food and even sense tiny movements. Since it has teeny tiny eyes, it uses its special nose to find its way on land and underwater. Conclusion. So the next time you see an animal you consider ugly, remember that beauty is subjective, and every creature has its own unique purpose and charm.